One afternoon, I was fixing a leaky faucet at a customer's house. The job was straightforward, but right as I was about to wrap up, the customer accused me of overcharging. "You only replaced one part. How can it cost that much?" they snapped. I stayed calm and explained the cost covered the part, my time, and the travel, all clearly outlined in the estimate they had agreed to earlier. They pushed back, insisting I was trying to pull a fast one. I could tell they were trying to squeeze a discount last minute. I politely reminded them that I'm happy to discuss costs before I start, but once the work is done, the price stands. I even showed them the original estimate on my phone to jog their memory. After a quiet moment, the customer sighed and said, "You're right, I guess I wasn't paying attention. Sorry about that." We shook hands, and they thanked me for being upfront and professional. It felt good knowing I kept things honest without burning bridges. Sometimes people just need a little patience and clear communication to remember the value of good work.